So the Galaxy S26 Ultra is getting a makeover next year, and let me tell you, not everybody's gonna love it. Some of the tweaks actually make the S25 Ultra look like the cooler, older sibling, which is kinda wild when you think about it. First off, let's talk about the S Pen. Relax, it's not going anywhere. Samsung's keeping it around. We all remember how they stripped away the Bluetooth features with the S25 Ultra, claiming nobody really used them. That had people whispering, wait, is this pen about to get cut for good? Well, not yet. It's still alive, but now it's rocking a fresh little redesign. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. According to Ice Universe, this pen is curving up to match the new S26 Ultra's body. You remember how Samsung ditched those sharp boxy edges on the S25 Ultra? Yeah, S26 is going even rounder, and the pen is following the vibe. Even the tiny part that sticks out when it's tucked inside the phone is curved now. It's subtle, but it makes the whole design look more consistent. Here's the part that might sting a little though. This S26 Ultra is starting to look suspiciously like an iPhone 17. Rounded corners, a chunky camera bump on the back. Honestly, if you squint, you'd think Apple built it. And that's not exactly what hardcore Samsung fans want to hear. Personally, I wasn't thrilled when they ditched the sharp corners on the S25 Ultra, but at least that phone looks sleek and futuristic. This time, the S26 Ultra's camera bump just feels oversized, kinda clunky, almost outdated. But hey, don't get me wrong, under the hood, this thing is stacked. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos depending on where you live, real camera upgrades at last, and the trusty 5000 mAh battery. Specs-wise, it's gonna be a beast. But if I'm judging purely on looks, I probably lean toward the Galaxy S26 Edge. The Ultra and Pro are stuck with that bulky setup, and I'm not really feeling it. If you're not into the design, either Samsung's foldables might honestly be the smarter pick. So what do you think? Are the new curves growing on you, or is Samsung slowly losing its unique style? Hit me with your take in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.